Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bunmi. Welcome. So today it's Amazon haul video. I don't know why I'm laughing, but yeah. So today I'm bringing you with like a Amazon home decor haul. I have. I hope I didn't break it. Oh no. Did I break it? I don't know. But yeah, welcome. So before I break anything, I have so much things that I bought from Amazon, and that's because I've been decorating my room since the start of since the start of quarantine. It's been a long time coming, but before I can show you my room, the transformation, I'm going to show you the bits and bobs that I bought so far so that you can just see a little sneak peek. And let's start with the one that almost broke. And so I'm gonna open this. I don't know what's in this one. Okay, so it's jewelry. It's a jewelry storage tray, and I think I actually got this because I wanted to put my my skincare stuff on there, or like a bit of like jewelries on there. Came bubbled, obviously protected. So this is how it looks, like nice marble plate that will go perfectly well with my aesthetics that I'm going for. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's a lot smaller than I imagined, to be fair. So I don't know how this is gonna work out. Also, I think it'll just fit perfectly well. Let me see. Yeah, it will fit perfectly well. Because with me, I want to go a bit glam, but like minimalistic sort of vibes to it as well. I'm gonna put this to good use. Let me show you this. I've actually opened it. This was the first item that I got, and this is a bedside lamp that I got. I think this would just have a nice touch because I want my room to have like accents of like rose gold, accents of like pop of colors here and there. I've tried it. Absolutely gorgeous. This is how it looks, and I feel like this one would just do. Having too many of it would just be too much, if that makes sense. And that's because one bedside table, and yeah, I think this is gorgeous. It changes colors, like it goes from warm to light to extremely cold light kind of thing. And I feel like this will be like, it will just set the mood for me when it comes to reading and stuff like that. So yeah, this is gorgeous. Absolutely love it. Oops. And then it's actually lightweight as well, which is amazing. It's not that heavy, but I'm sure it's gonna do the job. And then this is the control bit, which I've tried, and I will insert the video that I have of it, and then you see how it looks and how it operates. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Love this lamp. Is money well spent. All the items that I'm showing you, I'm going to put it in the description bar below, so make sure to check the description box for anything. And if I did miss anything out, please don't hesitate to let me know in the comment section. And when I showed it to my friend, she was like, it reminds me of a snake, and now I can't unsee it, but it's a gorgeous one. It's a gorgeous snake. So yeah, I'm not sure what this is. Like I said, I've ordered so much. Where's the scissors? Where did I put the scissors? I put the scissors. Call blimey. Found it, guys. Okay, so I do know what this one is. So this one is a cotton wool organizer. Cotton wools can look quite messy. I wanted it to be a more compiled, clear box. So I ordered a cotton pads holder. Oh, I love this format. I didn't know that it was gonna come out I've opened this way, which is really cute, because that way, instead of like trying to dip my hands into it, I can just bring it out like just from the side bit, and that is pretty. This is so pretty. I like it. Yeah, there's nothing much to say to that, because I have the small ones from Superdrugs and the ones that I get from Body Shop, but I think this one would go well with the bigger pads as well. So I'll see how I get on with those ones, and it doesn't like come out from the side too much. So yeah, this is really cute style. And then it comes with the lid. Hold on. Wait, this lid is not closing anything. I think this is not the right lid for this. I don't know. Or were you just meant to put it on top this way? No? Was it meant to just go up this way? I guess you meant to balance it this way. Not sure. But yeah, I mean, it's from China, so there is this one. Ooh, this massive one as well that I got. Where is the scissors now again? It's quite massive. No, I think this one is for, actually, now I know. Now I know what this is for. I think this one is not the bin, but this is for clothes, for your dirty clothes laundry. I'm changing my bed and I had this bad habit of always putting my clothes on my bed, just pushing it to the side before sleeping. So I feel like me having a dirty laundry basket in my room will like encourage me to actually like chuck my dirty laundries in there and then make my room look more presentable and nicer. So I got it in white because aesthetics reasons. I feel like I love white so much. I'm obsessed with white to the point that everything, yeah. Anyways, without saying too much, I feel like this would go perfectly well, and it has like little patterns here, which is great because it adds a bit of texture to my room as well. It gives that nice texture to it too. It brings out the beauty of the room. However, it also can easily blend in, if that makes any sense whatsoever. It's like nice subtle change to the room. Oh, I don't know which one to tackle next. Okay, let me tackle this next. I'm not sure what this is. It's either gonna be the sheepskin rug or the linen bedspreads and stuff like that. So, but I'm leaning towards the sheepskin rug. Oh, this comes with something inside it. Interesting. Oh, this is so cute. It comes in a duster bag. It smells quite chemically, like it smells very processed, I would say. I think I might have to wash this before I put it in my room. Oh, it smells like a sheep. Yeah, it smells like a sheep. Oh, I'm so sorry, sheep. But this is how it looks. Oh, it feels really nice. It actually feels really nice. It's gorgeous though. It's absolutely gorgeous. Oh, this one is quite massive. Oh, I wonder what's in here. Oh, okay. So first we have a complete double bed set. It's 100% woven cotton. I'm scared of unraveling this because I would not know how to put this back. But I'm gonna zip this out and then show you the feel of it from y'all. I think this is gorgeous. Look how gorgeous this looks. I think it's beautiful. I love the feel of the material, actually. I love the feel of the material. Hopefully it works out good for my bed. That is coming on Tuesday, by the way, in case you didn't know and I didn't tell you previously. Yeah. Also, I don't know what this is. I don't know. This is the... Which one is this one? Oh, this is a chandelier that I got. I got a chandelier for my room. Ooh, this is how it looks. And I feel like this is the only thing that is going to give my room a bit of glam. Like a nice glam touch to it. Nice, isn't it? And it's white as always. And the beads as well are like... Dangly, dangly, dangly. Ooh, dangly, dangly. Ooh, my... Yeah, I'm happy about this purchase. And it feels good in the hands as well. Will it last long though? Hopefully it does last long. And yeah, I think like this is gonna give it a nice touch of glam, no matter it. Oh, there's in that big box here, which is what exactly? What would it show me? Surprise me, sweetie. What the fuck is this shit? Oh yes. Oh. This is gorgeous. Oh, it's different feel than I thought it would be. It feels a bit like plasticky, like it didn't feel as marble-ish as the other one that I shown. I don't like the feeling of it. It's not exactly the marble type that I wanted it to feel. It looks like a wallpaper sort of like vibes to it, but I don't know. I mean, I want it to look like an actual marble rather than it being almost wallpapery, but it does give the nice illusion of it, I suppose. I've been catfished. I feel like I've been catfished by Amazon. I don't like that. Catfish. Why are you catfishing me? It's still nice, but it's just not exactly what I wanted. Let me see how it will look on here. No, this is not exactly what I wanted. I might have to return this actually. Not happy. Not happy. Hi, Mom. Good. Unboxing. I'm unboxing on YouTube. Yeah, so I'm showing them what I got. Do you want to see what I got? This is for my perfumes, for my makeup and stuff. So one side is gonna go, one side of this, there's perfume that is gonna go on there. Like for example, it's there, and then my, how much is it? £29. Is it nice? Is it worth it for £29? It's beautiful. Yeah, because it's not as marbly as I wanted it to be. This is the bed spread, the beddings, the bed set. So it's like the pillows for the mattress is like for, yeah, just for the bed in general, and it's like 100% cotton. Does it feel like cotton to you? Can you touch it? Yeah?
Is it pure white?
Yeah, it's pure white. Yeah.
You need to know.
£100. It's not much. I did more save up.
You know you shouldn't be telling lies. Hello.
Almost £200.
To spend on yourself is not too much.
No, exactly. It's an investment. Oh, the last item we just dropped. I feel like this all is all over the place. It's all over the place. Like, ugh, crazy. The last one that I would like to tackle, I can't remember what is in this box. Honestly, I've been ordering so much things recently that I can't remember for the life of me what I've ordered. It's just like a surprise to me at this point. It's like opening a Christmas present at this point. Oh, these are the pillows. Okay, so let me stop screaming too much. I'm getting too excited. Yelsa. Ooh. Ooh. So these are the pillows. I got like 4 ultra bounce pillows. This is so heavy, guys. I've not had breakfast yet, that's why. I got like these bouncy pillows and they feel quite bouncy, to be fair, and quite soft. It comes in, wait, it says 3, okay, no. I thought they treated me out, but there's on that one, they squeezed that one down right inside. So this is how it looks. Can you see? I'm tired. I'm absolutely tired. Shopping and opening and unboxing things, exhausting. They are super exhausting. So tiring. Basically, instead of me opening everything out to you guys, I thought that it would be better to keep them in the packaging, because I wouldn't know how to put them back if I unwrapped everything. You should stay tuned to my channel so that you can see the transformation, my room transforming. And by the way, I look raggedy rag. I look I was under construction, Dad. Please let this image of me be ingrained in you before you see my room decor. So my room transformation, just let this face be the face that you keep seeing as you watch it, because child, I looked mad homeless in that one. I looked like I was about to give up on life. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. This all is all over the place. But it's morning, I've not had breakfast yet, and I figured I'll get this out of the way. I was so excited to open this for you guys and just to showcase what I got. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Oh.